Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to screen record your Google Chrome browser using OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your OBS application on your computer. Now, here's an important note before we move forward. Make sure you have Google Chrome already open and running on your system. This is crucial because OBS needs to detect Chrome as an active window in order to capture it properly. If Chrome isn't running, OBS won't be able to find it in the source list. Once OBS is open and Chrome is running in the background, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the OBS interface. You'll see a section labeled Sources. This is where you'll add all the different elements you want to capture in your recording. Click on the plus icon right below the Sources panel. A menu will appear with several capture options. From this list, select Window Capture. This option allows you to record a specific application window rather than your entire screen, which is perfect for focusing solely on your Chrome browser. After selecting Window Capture, a dialog box will pop up asking you to name this source. Go ahead and rename it to something recognizable like Google Chrome. This helps you stay organized, especially if you're working with multiple sources. Once you've typed in the name, click OK to proceed. Now you'll see another window appear with capture settings. Navigate to the window option, and right beside it you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal a list of all currently open applications on your computer. From this list, select Google Chrome. This tells OBS exactly which window you want to record. After making your selection, click OK to confirm. At this point, you should see your Chrome browser appear in the OBS preview window. If the capture doesn't fit perfectly or isn't positioned the way you'd like, you can easily adjust it. Simply click and drag the corners of the Chrome capture in your OBS preview to resize it or reposition it by dragging it around the canvas. This gives you full control over how your recording will look. Once everything is set up and you're satisfied with how your Chrome window appears in the preview, you're ready to start recording. Look over to the right panel of the OBS interface and you'll see a button labeled Start Recording. Click this button to begin capturing your Chrome browser activity. When you've finished recording everything you need, simply head back to the right panel and click Stop Recording. OBS will automatically save your recording to your designated output folder. And that's it. You've successfully set up and recorded your Google Chrome browser using OBS. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.